Hello students, in this topic we will learn about analogy, types of analogy, common types of relationship, and we will solve problems. What is analogy? Analogy is derived from two words. Ana means relation and logos means knowledge. The word analogy is a noun which literally means a similar feature, condition, state, etc. shared by two things that are compared and a process of reasoning based on similar feature of two things. Thus, analogy means similar feature or a common feature or correspondence. Analogy is aimed not only at testing your reasoning but also overall knowledge, IQ, as well as power of decision making. So there are two types of analogy, non-verbal analogy and verbal analogy. In non-verbal analogy, it is very easy to recognize the common features between the given figures. Figures may have similar movement, rotation, orientation, shape, size, etc. And if you are able to observe these features, you can select the correct answer. Verbal analogy. Here, verbal analogy judges your ability to understand the diverse relationship between various elements, things, phenomena, acts, terms, etc. in their proper context. Now let's look at common types of relationship questions. So number 1, state and capital relationship. In these type of questions would give one capital and one state or a country, and you need to recognize the other one. Let's look at an example here. Delhi is related to India in the same way as Paris is related to, and the given options are Germany, England, Canada, France, and Indonesia. So the analysis should be like this. We already know Delhi is the capital of India. Similarly, you need to understand the capital of some of the major countries. So in this case, Paris is the capital of France. So the correct answer is option 4, France. Students, under static GK, under current affairs on edurapid.com, we do have a list of all the major countries and their capitals. Please go over it once and try to remember most of the countries and their capitals. Let's look at the next type of question. Common types of relationship questions. Here, in this case, country and currency relationship. Italy is related to lira in the same way as Greece is related to, and there are 5 options: shekel, quetzal, krona, drachma, and peso. So we already know Italy is a country and its currency is called as lira, and similarly Greece is a country and its currency is known as drachma, and the correct answer is option 4, drachma. So before this question come from before the creation of European Union, every country in Europe had its own currency, and Italy had the currency called lira and Greece had the currency called drachma. In the next type, common types of relationship question is country and name of the parliament. So an example question is Japan is related to diet in the same way Iran is. So in this case, Japan is related to Diet. Diet is the name of their parliament. And in the same way, Iran is related to, the options are Majlis, National Assembly, Althing, Shergo, People's National Assembly. So here, we already know from the question that Japan's parliament is called Diet. Similarly, Iran's parliament is known as Majlis. So the correct answer is option 1, Majlis. In the next type, country and its national games and sports. So an example is baseball is related to United States of America in the same way as badminton is related to, options are Australia, Canada, Malaysia, China, and Brazil. So we already know from the question baseball is the national game of United States of America and the badminton is the national game of Malaysia. So the correct answer is option 3, Malaysia. As I had told you before, these kind of questions also check your IQ and your general knowledge and decision making skills. So keep reading a lot of books and general knowledge books and increase your knowledge about current events and the current things that are happening on different countries, and so that you will be able to answer these questions easily. So in the next type, we look at sex relationship, that is between male and female. And then example question is, horse is related to mare. In the same way, tiger is related to dash. The options are tigris, tigress, panther, cub, and lion. So here is how we analyze this question. Here, male and female relationship has been shown. Horse is a male and its female counterpart is mare. Similarly, tiger is a male and its female counterpart is tigress. So the correct answer is option 2, tigress. So there is a short list here where it shows this relationship: son, daughter, nephew, niece, drone, bee, dog, bitch, gentleman, lady, horse, mare, lion, lioness, stag, doe, tiger, tigress, uncle, aunt. The next type is parents and child relationship. Cub is related to lion. In the same way, bunny is related to. So in this case, cub is the child of a lion is called a cub, and you need to know whose child is bunny is called. So the given options are horse, cattle, kangaroo, rabbit, and eel. So the young one of the lion is called as cub, and the young one of rabbit is called as bunny. So the correct answer is option 4, rabbit. So in the next type, animal and its individual trait. Barking is related to dog. In the same way, mewing is related to, the given options are sheep, goat, wolf, cat, fox. So we know that the sound of the dog is called barking. Similarly, the sound of the cat is known as mewing. So the correct answer is option 4, cat. So there is a list of the relationship between the animal and its individual trait. Please go over this list and try to remember. I would suggest you to make a note of this in your notes and keep going over this every now and then so that you will remember. So the next type of question is animal and its habitat relationship. Stable is related to horse in the same way as den is related to. Our given options are darkness, lion, forest, animal, and rabbit. So here is the analysis. The living place of the horse is called stable and the living place of the lion is called den. So the correct answer is option 2, lion. So the next type of question is worker and working place relationship. So let's go over an example. Court is related to lawyers. In the same way, hospital is related to. So in this question, the lawyers work in the court. So you need to know who works in the hospital among the given option. So in this case, the given options are wards, beds, doctors, patients, and nurses. So here is the analysis. Lawyers plead in the court. Plead means like they argue and defend somebody in the court. So that is called as the pleading process. So the lawyers plead in the court and doctors practice in the hospital or a clinic. So the correct answer is, based on the working place relationship, is option 3, doctors. Students, there is a list of the working place relationship. Please go over it, make a note of this in your notes and try to remember. So the next type of question is tool and action relationship. Let's look at an example here. Spade is related to dig in the same way as shove is related to, the given options are carve, scoop, grip, amplify, and grind. So the analysis is, the spade is used to dig the soil. Similarly, shove is used to scoop the material. So the correct answer is option 2, scoop. So there is a list of tool and action relationship here in the bottom. Please go over this list and try to remember, make a note in your notebook. And if you remember all these things, if it appears in the exam, you will spend very less time answering them. So the next type of question is raw material and product relationship. So here is an example. Wax is to candle and question mark is to paper. So the options are tree, bamboo, pulp, wood, and stationery. So the analysis is, the candle is made of wax. Similarly, the paper is made of something called as pulp. So the correct answer in this case is option 3, pulp. So here is a list of raw materials and the product relationship. Please go over it, make a note in your notebook and try to remember. So let's look at another type of relationship question, worker and tool relationship. So in this example, we have plow is related to farmer in the same way as sword is related to, the options are tailor, surgeon, warrior, soldier, and none of these. So in this case, it is given that the plow is related to farmer the same way sword is related to a warrior. So the correct answer is option 3. Here below we do have a list of worker and tool relationship. Please make a note of this, go over this and remember. So let's look at another question type, term and its subject matter. So an example is ethnology is related to human race, and the same way onomatology is related to dash. So the given options are reality, insects, names, mountain, none of these. So the analysis is ethnology is the study of human races. Similarly, onomatology deals with the names. So the correct answer is option 3, names. So here is a list of terms and its subject matter. Please make a note of this, go over this and try to remember. The next type of question is matter and its state relationship. An example is gold is related to solid in the same way petroleum is related to. The given options are fuel, liquid, car, gas and oil. Here gold is found in the solid state and the petroleum is found in the liquid state. So the correct answer is option 2, liquid. So another type of question is synonym and antonym intensity. That means you need to find the synonym of a given word. So there would be an example of synonym and you need to find the another word's synonym. So, or it can also be antonym and word and intensity. There is a list of examples here. Please make a note of this and go over every one of these and remember you will be able to answer the questions in the exam really easy. So another type of question is quantity and unit, instrument and measurement. Under quantity and unit, they would give a quantity of something and its unit, and you need to find the other one. And similarly, the instrument and measurement, they will give an instrument and they will say this instrument will measure something, and they'll give another instrument and ask what is the measure. So if you look at the below tables, it will give a list of quantity and units and instrument and measurement. Please make a note of these and remember. For example, angle is radians and current is, the unit of current is ampere, unit of energy is joule, unit of force is Newton, and it goes like that. And under instrument and measurement, ammeter measures current, anemometer measures wind velocity, balance measures mass, hygrometer measures humidity, thermometer measures temperature, rain gauge measures rain, screw gauge measures thickness, seismograph measures earthquakes, saphonometer measures blood pressure. So now let's look at some examples. Water is related to well in the same way coal is related to. The given options are factory, mine, graphite, village and fuel. Now let's look at the solution. So water is extracted from well. Similarly, coal is extracted from mine. So the correct answer is option B, mine. So let's go to the next problem. Artificial is related to natural the same way as private is related to. The given options are future, personal, public, closed, confidential. So now let's look at the solution and explanation. In the question, it is given that artificial is related to natural and artificial is an antonym of natural. Similarly, the antonym of private is public. So the correct answer is option C, public. Let's go to the next problem. Recite is related to poem. In the same way, read is related to, the options are habit, passage, pencil, sharpener, school. So we recite a poem and we cannot read a habit, we cannot read a pencil, we cannot read a sharpener, we cannot read a school. So we can read a passage. So the correct answer is option B, passage. Let's go to the next problem. Travel is related to UDKUSB and corner is related to MDQDPS, and we need to find out what is survey related to, and there are 5 options as below. So now let's look at the step-by-step solution. So now let's look at the relationship between travel and UDKUSB and corner and MDQDPS. So if you write down travel and UDKUSB, T is related to U by +1, R is related to S by +1, A is related to B by +1 and V is related to U by -1, and E is related to D by minus 1 because if you have to go back 1 for D from E. So similarly, L is related to K by minus 1. So similarly, let's look at the relationship between corner and MDQ DPS. So C is related to D by plus 1, O is related to P by plus 1, R is related to S by plus 1, N is related to M by minus 1, and E is related to D by minus 1, and R is related to Q by minus 1. Similarly, survey should be related to something with the same pattern. So let's go by survey. Survey S plus 1 will be T, U plus 1 will be V, R plus 1 will be S, V minus 1 will be, you need to go 1 back, is U, and E minus 1 will be D, Y minus 1 will be X. So the correct answer is TVSUDX. So the correct answer is option 4, because if you look at travel and UDKUSB, it is split into half. So it starts with VEL and TRA. So it's the other way around. So you can easily make a mistake in this problem and you will think that the correct answer is option 3, but the correct answer is option 4, because if you look at the relationship between travel and corner, it starts from the middle. So it starts with UDX and TVS. So the correct answer here is option 4. Now let's look at similar problem. Travel is related to UDK USB and corner is related to MDQ DPS and groups is related to, and there are 5 options. Let's tackle this problem similarly how we did the previous one. If you practice a few of these problems in the exam, you will be able to do it within a minute or even faster. So T is related to U by plus 1 here in this case, R is related to S by plus 1, A is related to B by plus 1, V is related to U by minus 1, E is related to D by minus 1, L is related to K by minus 1. Similarly, corner is related to DPS MDQ in a similar fashion. So then groups should be related to any word in the similar fashion, right? So let's go to G. G plus 1 will be H, R plus 1 will be S, O plus 1 will be P, U minus 1 is, you need to go 1 back, it will be T because U comes after T, and P minus 1 is O, S minus 1 is R. Similar to the previous problem, the answer should start with TOR and HSP. So the correct answer is option 1, TOR HSP. Now let's look at another problem. See, it is related to symbolic and number analogy, and here is the question. 85 is to 40 is equal to 77 is to what? Question mark. So the options are 14, 15, 48 and 49. In the solution, let's look at the relationship between 85 and 40. So 85 and 40 is, if you look at these numbers, if you multiply 8 and 5, you get 40, right? So then similarly, 77 will be related to a number that will be a product of 7 into 7. So 7 into 7 is 49. So the correct answer is option D, 49. So now let's look at the next problem. 343 is to 678 is equal to 512 is to what? So the options are 1024, 1536, 1000 and 1016. Let's look at the step-by-step solution here. So if you look at the problem, 343 and 678, there is a relationship. 343 times 2 is 686 minus 8. 8 will be 2 cubed. So 686 minus 8 is equal to 678. Similarly, 512 into 2 is equal to 1024 minus 2 cube will be 1024 minus 8 is 1016. So the correct answer is option D, 1016. Now let's look at another problem. HJIK is to MONP equals P R cube S is to what? There are 4 options. UVWX, UWVX, UXWV, UWXV. So let's look at the step-by-step solution. Let's see how HKIJ and MONP are related. So H and M are related by plus 5. If you go 5 steps from H, you get M. Similarly, J and O are related by 5, plus 5. And I and N are related to each other by plus 5. And K and P are related to each other by plus 5. Similarly, P R cube S should be related to in another group of numbers by the same relationship. So let's do P plus 5. So P plus 5 is U, R plus 5 is W, Q plus 5 is V, S plus 5 is X. So the correct answer is Option B, UWVX. So students, in this chapter we learnt about analogy, types of analogy, common types of relationship, and we solved a lot of problems. Please make sure you practice all the problems on EduRapid and understand the approach to solve these problems. And I wish you all the very best in your exams. Thank you.